Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video. I am Terabyte Eater, bringing you guys a $500 budget build. That's right, I'm back with a new budget build thing. And anyway, so this is a gaming PC, of course, as I usually would do. And so basically, of course, we're just going to start with the case and also what you're seeing on the screen right now. I'm just doing Minecraft mini games this time. Again, but I plan on doing something different, hopefully next week for the new video, but I didn't choose one out for this week. But anyway, so let's go ahead. And so our first thing is the case, the same case I believe is last time, Roseville Dual Fans Micro ATX Mini Tower Computer Case FBM01. Also, real quick, I want to tell you guys, I made a quick change to the last build that I made. So it is actually a 2 terabyte hard drive on that Western Digital. It's only like a few bucks. I don't even remember. The next thing on our list is the motherboard. This is the MSI A78M okay, I'm never going to say the whole thing, but it's the MSI A78M E35 FM2 Plus / FM2 AMD A78 HDMI SATA 6 GBS USB 3.0 Micro ATX AMD motherboard, $64.19, and yeah, and it will work with the processor, which we're getting to right now, AMD quad-core A8 series APU A8 600 or 6600K with Radeon HD 8570D, and then it is $89.99. This is a quad core, not a hexacore, or not, well, a 6-core as we had in the last one, so we could save a bit of money on this build, basically. So now we have the cores for our RAM. We have the Corsair Vengeance Blue 8 gigabytes. So each of the sticks is 4 gigabytes. There's 2 of them. 2 sticks, each is 4 gigabytes. Not getting confused. There's not 2 8 gigabyte sticks, and there's not 1 8 gigabyte stick. PC3 12800, 1600 megahertz. Blah blah blah. 240 pin SD RAM dual channel. Blah. $72.99. Yep, pretty basic stuff there. Anyway, so EV for our graphics card. EVGA. GeForce GT 740 superclocked single slot 4 gigabyte DDR3 graphics cards. This is $99.99. It is 4 gigabytes graphics card. GeForce. I usually would go with that. Yeah, let me go ahead and scroll up on the page here and take a sip of my Mountain Dew. Not my Mountain Dew, whatever I'm drinking. All right. So the next thing on our list is a WD Blue desktop hard drive, 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM, SATA 6, and then some other stuff. But really, this hard drive, it's 1 terabyte, so it'll be able to fit all your games on it, because I know games can take up quite the file size. And yeah, now to our power supply. Of course, I believe this is the same one I used for the last build. Corsair CX Series 600 watt. Modular 80 plus bronze, blah blah blah, power supply. And so yeah, it's $59.99, 600 watts. It'll get the job done, of course. 600 watts is usually pretty good wattage for a power supply. Sorry. The next item on our list is the final item on our list is the optical drive, which you will of course need. You will absolutely need the optical drive. If you don't have an optical drive, you can't load in OS. And so Asus 24X DVD RW serial ATA internal OEM optical drive. Blah 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 black. And yeah, same one with the other build. Nice, cheap, $21.39. And yeah, so those are all of the items for this computer build. So I hope you guys enjoyed. One real quick. Also, I did not include a fan or an OS with this, or all of that other stuff. Like I said in the last computer build video, I don't include that stuff because I leave it up to you. You might want a certain fan. You might want a certain OS. But yeah, I actually probably will start putting fans in these, because some of you guys are really like not good with computers possibly, and then you will just be like clueless, and you might choose to release something really stupid that will cause your PC to completely get destroyed because it's not getting enough fan on the power supply or on the motherboard and stuff. So let's go ahead and look at the price of this. It's $493.52, just under $500. And yeah, so that's really all. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to pelvic thrust that like button. And if for more content from me, I plan on uploading more of these awesomeness, whatever they are, computer build videos and other like tech type stuff. Hopefully once a week at least. I don't have school tomorrow, so I might be trying to do some kind of tech thing tomorrow. Yeah. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. To watch the previous video that I have done of a computer build, make sure to click that video right there. Also, to follow me on Twitter, there's that little birdie right there. Just click on him, and he will be happy and love you for forever. So yeah, public post that like button, listen to the music, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out, homies.